this replacement. Like, that is nuts. Okie dokie, so we've got the Osmo Pocket 3, and if we want to turn it on, we simply flip the screen and it turns on. And as you can see, it's already on and ready to go. You can actually set this up so it starts recording straight away too. Now, if I triple tap this, you can see that it goes into a selfie mode. And what it would do if it was seeing a face now, it would automatically detect that face and start tracking them. I'll try and show you that now. So if I come around here, turn this back. I'm not sure how to use it properly because I've only just opened it up. But if I triple tap it, 1, 2, 3, you can see now it's going to lock onto me. There you go. You can see it's locked onto me, and it's put a green box around me. I've not had to ask it to do that. It's already done that itself. And as I move around, it tracks me too. This, as I say, is going to be a game changer when I am recording stuff. Oh, it's gone around. It's actually doing it this way too, so you can actually see it. That's cool. As I say, this is honestly a first look at impressions. I've not played around with this properly. That's cool. So I could go all the way around the camera. So this could be on a tripod. I could walk all the way around it and it would just keep filming me. That is sick. But this is a good example of just how versatile this camera is now, because here I am by myself. Got this little camera in front of me and like it's tracking me. Look, I can walk around over here. I can point at stuff over there and it'll still follow me. This is basically my own personal camera person. I don't know if it'll keep following me. How far will it go? It'll follow me as far as that way. And yeah, it's still got me. I think if I go around, if I walk up, get up here, will it follow me? Still following me. That is cool. With this, so if I just turn that face tracking off now, we can obviously also control with the joystick up and down, or down and up, sorry, left and right. And while it's doing that, it's not just a static focus. It's not a fixed focal point. It has phase detection autofocus. So it will actually focus on things, and as it moves away, it will focus on something else in the distance. So if you've got something up close like me now, it should focus on me. I don't know what it's like in terms of distance. And then the background should be nice and blurred, have a nice bokeh effect. That's not something that was available on the Osmo Pocket 2, and that's what makes this really, really exciting. The 1-inch sensor also makes this really impressive too. The low light performance is just incredible. Piece of kit, and as you can see, the microphone is connected, so hello, hello, hello. As I talk, you can see that green line moving up and down, and if I move it away, you can see that the green line probably isn't as bad now. It's not peaking, and then you can see we've got that orange, hello, hello, the orange bar at the end. That's showing that it's peaking, and it means that I've always got a really good visual idea of not just how good my visuals look, but also how good my audio is going to end up sounding. Honestly, I don't know if you can see it. I'm really, really stoked on this. It's not been cheap. It's 600 and I think I paid $669 for this because I paid £50 for the 2-year extended warranty, but I think it's probably worthwhile to have on something like this, what I'm going to use in lots of different conditions. So I'm really, really excited about this. I'll show you how this works. So like I say, we've got the option to clip the microphone on just like that. Or if you want to, you can use the magnet, and it is a really, really strong magnet. And I've seen people put it on behind and then there you go, put the magnet on like that. So it's not even visible. You can actually just walk around like this. You can have your camera, you can be talking away. Hey everyone, Andy from, it's really cool. This is, oh man, I'm stoked. Around it, obviously I've already pointed this out. You can put a USB-C here. You've got space for your micro SD card there. And as you can see, obviously the micro SD card, the fact that this is mechanical, this is not a waterproof camera. It's not something, it's not an action camera replacement. It's not a GoPro replacement. This is this replacement. Like, that is nuts. I mean, this is still going to be sick for using like my big cameras and stuff and getting some really nice professional shots, but like on a day-to-day, like Look, it's smaller than the legs on this. Like, that's just nuts. What I'm going to quickly do now is I'm going to go to this camera and shoot a bit of video on this now. All right, so now we're on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, and we're using the microphone here. So that is the, this is the DJI microphone. Oh, it's the reason why I can't show it is because it's tracking me. But you can see there is the DJI Pocket microphone. It's connected with a magnet there, and I can see all the audio and everything. This is really cool. And I'm just holding the camera still now, and I'm gonna move to the side, and you can see the camera is tracking me around. It's going to be amazing. Now, we're in a really well lit area here. You can see we've got lights and everything. But look at it. You can see we've got these lights. It's giving us this really bright area. We've got these dark spots down there. But, I mean, it looks sick on this camera. I mean, this screen looks fantastic. And as you can see, I can just move around really freely. Oh, honestly, this is going to be so good for video. I really cannot wait to play around with this outside. But in here, you can see with the good light, obviously, the video looks good. But those dark areas here, nothing looks too like blown out, even though I've got a lot of lights really close to me. Now, if I tap that, can I turn the tracking is now off. I can get that into a better position, and it's still easy enough. I mean, that's fine. I mean, I might even use it like that, to be fair, because the tracking seems to want to be a bit higher up. It keeps cutting my head off, but yeah, this is pretty cool. This is just so cool. If I just triple tap this now, you can see we can turn around. I'm just using the joystick now to move around. There's the lights. It's going into the dark area there. Look at that. Look how quickly it changes. We'll see if we can play around with this focus as well. So let's see if we can bring something in. So it should focus on that. It has got a touch screen. I don't know if the touch screen... Yeah, it's showing that it's focused on that now. Now if I bring this in, and then that. Yeah, you can see, look at that. That's cool. Focus is really quick. Anyway, so that's it. This is video, and it's focusing on me again. Oh man, it's so much fun. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to put the camera away. Actually, I think that's it. I think we've shown you everything. I hope you liked this video. I hope you give you a really good first impressions and a good look at what you get with the Creator Combo. But I also hope it give you a really good first impressions of the Osmo Pocket 3. The Osmo Pocket 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Cheers everyone. Bye bye.